So we are going to learn how to make the initial slip knot to start the chains. Take the yarn and keep it on your hand like this. The longer end that is connected to the yarn ball is on the right side. The shorter end is on the left side. And then twist it like this. So it creates a loop. And the shorter end is in the back side. And the longer end is on the front. Now take this from behind into the loop and then hold the shorter end and slightly leave the longer end from inside your hand. Slowly pull this. Now this is the starting point of our chain. So if you can see, if you pull this, it will easily come off as if it never happened. This is how it is supposed to come. So I'll show you one more time. So keep it like this. Have the shorter end on the left side and longer end on the right side. Twist it and then keep it like this. So still, if you can see, shorter end is on the left, longer end is on the right. And take the longer end from behind the loop and hold this bow together. Hold the shorter end tightly. This has to be held tightly, and the longer will smoothly glide, and it'll, when you pull off here like this, it creates a loop. Now take your hook, insert it inside the loop and pull the longer end to tighten it. So we are done with the beginning slip stitch. In the next video, I'll show you how you can start chaining from this stitch.